Saka
pane chinonzi brand Zimbabwe.
Brand Zimbabwe iri kuchova nayo, but
kana muchida kutaura muri koko it's fine. Microphone inenge ichingokepta
iriko brand Zimbabwe ati recognize,
but ichi chinonzi brand kana chiti brand Apple, brand iPhone,
kana tichingozvita
Apple brand
ngati mupinda brand basera nana
kana muchida ndinodefine
chimboayewa kana chimvumira pakaibazi
tada usika kuZimbabwe but
toda brand
tata brand
Zimbabwe.
Yes, please.
It's two things. It's just creating recognition of what we represent as a nation, Zimbabwe nation. So I mean, it's not a lot of complications behind that. It's
I want
simple
to add
recognition. What do I mean by that? What I mean is, I'll do that in a good part to my examples. Some of them might be trivial, some of them. Right. It's as simple as when we are what we are as Zimbabwean people, and we then start producing for trade or associating with other external parties that are not Zimbabwean, or organically as Zimbabweans within ourselves, what level of pride do we have on what they ran away with like indigenous? I'll go organic. How do we add value? How do we add value through organic input? And naturally, from the Panama tangible aspects, the intangible aspects. So now I want to concentrate on the intangibles. And intangibles actually is driven by pride. Are we proud of what we are? The reason that in terms of my example, Zim dance or how we want to copy and all that. Naturally, one thing I know as a society, as a nation, identity to the world. But it seems as individuals in pockets of the society, and we are not wise enough to scale what we are good at to a marketable sort of position. So exactly. So I think we've got a lot of resource, intellect, human capital, different things, tinazo. But at our ability, we're confident with tinazo, tinazo. So for that reason, let other people buy into us. Great example, Digikura, where do I now take Botswana and South Africa? Both them is the import stuff of Botswana.
So I promote a brand Botswana.
I promote a brand Botswana, brand Zuda. Because what imagine can I start to 85, 90 square meter. One hour went up Nana abroad, Nana America. I want to boost them with my Nike America. Panagambo funga garage katika zile boot tennis yedu yatichatenga sana America watu America zote wanda katenga kuzimbabwe.
Kwa wana wanobuda pa Instagram achiradza ari mu restaurant ku New York. Achi display achitora zvinhu zvoku New York achikanda pa Instagram. Ari ku promote a brand.
It depends on who you are. So I know it's on Instagram. It's your choice. It depends on who you are. In independent, I post about Instagram. Papa in NFL, and did you post it because that is a situational position.
But we're talking about branding.
But can I talk to us about branding?
The guy's a flag. The is a brand.
It's just a flag. When you are doing that, can I do in New York and you're in Zimbabwe? It depends on your purpose. You're a restaurant in New York. But the bottom line is Zimbabwe, my citizens in Zimbabwe cannot watch. What is it that we are doing to sell the good things that we do to the rest of the world, so that issues is not attractive to anyone? One will find all that attraction.
But I'm still not happy with brand.
Brand is and that's our brand in my own context, the way I see the world. So it's quite philosophical. But you can follow my dictionary definition and my research definition. In the from how I see the world, from ontological position.
Ngatimbonza wamwe vari pana.
Okay, from my own perspective, in any brand, kuti unge uchikwanisa kutengesa brand, ndokunge zvinhu zvako zviri step. One, kwauri kubva kwacho. Because you can't sell a brand. Brand racho, when it's got negativity, like in the current situation, I don't know.
I
That's
agree with that.
From as much as Tinema intellects, Tine people who have made it big in other parts of the society, abroad, elsewhere. Kind of brand they do like Kumba. Now the current situation is how can you sell it?
I agree. Ipapa Magic and but there's one thing that you guys, one thing that you do recognize, what you do factor in. You have said, how do we sell our brand? You need it to be strong. You need it to have a good foundation. I agree with that. But the original question is, what is brand Zimbabwe? And in Natarati, I'll address it from an intangible position. Brand Zimbabwe is what we can offer to the world that will make Zimbabwe attractive.
But Panapa is Zimbabwe. Story brand. How are we representing brand Zimbabwe? Unaona video Zimbabwe. Vanoona zvavari kutaura asi mazimba
tutaura nenyaya yeZimbabwe ndo first step yo ndo first step
saka kuti tinzwisise branding ndokwatinobva hanzi branding ndeyekuti brand rako iwe vadede ndinoti mukabva panapa chii chatinotaura chitaura nezvenyu
exactly
handidi
ndo zvandataura kuti kana takutaura takuseparate quantitative nequalitative inini
Because we're just
I'm more focused on qualitative because my measures actually I want this, but from where I'm seeing things, Nepati say
yeah,
our weakness has been our own in terms of lack of practical. So take out deep into the detail.
yeah,
we've got an element of Tanga pick up my friend, my Congolese, my Nigerian. It's so special. ameno tichaichikako ndikauya kwauri tiri mustreet yaRarare ndoti ndashota mari yebhazi yekuenda kuMbaka unotaura kuti handina chinhu but mukongolese usikazi usati wamuona anotaura accent yausati wamunzwa okudzawo nditengerawo beer unomutengera coat ina achimboda 50 cents chete kuti ndiende kudeni. That is because we've got an element yokufunga kuti kuassociata nomumwe munhu asiri wemunyika menu ndo zvinodadisa zvinoshamisira. And not only that, pachedu tine culture yekutana biggers. Inini kana nchidriver mota yakanaka kupfuura yako ukauya pabotoston ndikakutengera skirt or whatever indichirova whatever I'm drinking chembodo ndatowo biggers ndakushamisira. So already tine culture yedu moved into a situation where we sort of undermine each other and as such we start getting embarrassed for being
Zimbabwean. But no brand again. Those are. So let's accept but obviously we can improve because culture is dynamic.
No, it doesn't have to be like that. Mamiriro akaita zvinhu takavhara maziso takakotsira tiri kuexploit tinomhanya tadzinga varungu taita sei takakolora zo takaita sei because toda but hatina mental independence because teaching a complex, we don't believe we're good enough, even though we are very good in a lot of things. Because no place that happen on South Africa, Britain, America, Australia, and they do very well in what they do. But in Zimbabwe, they're doing very well in what they do. But there's something you don't believe. Harare, you're talking about Nigerians. My India, I got to talk about Varunga, Shataura. Mazambians asina chino vakasvika isusu takangotarisa tingodada Mozambique
saka murudi tinowana tatekini
isusu tine matsanga
tisu mabig acho
tikabuda tikaenda kunyika dzevamwe vanhu tiri kuratidzwa kunzi izvozvi vamwe vanhu they take pride of their countries first. Ona pane maolympics zvakaitika pano picture ndakaona chitenderedzwa kuti relay team yevasikana vasikana maAmericans
vakatora picture
vakulebhurwa maZimbabwean flag.
Nomba vaita photoshop
tine ma-athletes
vakaisa
akaenda-
flag yeZimbabwe zvikanzi team Zimbabwe. Vanhu
Saka
vakafara
varikuona
team yakabatana
vasikana vakanaka. Saka vasikana vakanaka vakapiwa flag yeZimbabwe. Kuvedu chaivo
Zvikanzi,
vaenda
tarisaone
ngativaise profile
zvakaita
yavo.
mhanhikira yacho. That's photoshop.
Azviite ende ndo pane problem.
Zvinoite.
Tine problem yekutanga kuona zviri kuitika kuZimbabwe dzamwe.
Alright,
Tichikura
alright, because zvatinogona zvacho chii?
zvatinogona.
Yeah.
Zvakawanda stere.
Tataura manegative ka. Musati tinogona unegative.
No. Pane zvakawanda zvatogona.
Ndo brand redu lero.
Pane
Because brand reunegativity riri
tinogona
kushibisa.
kutaura chete. Tinogona nharo dzatinoita. Nharo.
But zvenharo zvine capital kamukati.
Aiwa ndozvandoti tinogona kutaura, but how can we morph that into
But I want to
creativity
disagree
into
that
Iowa, like you're saying, kuti tine negativity. I don't know. I know it's not been the own politics, but this is a clear. There's a clear example at Tina. Yokuti somebody.
nonyara nezvatiri.
Tinotanga. Somebody starts something, and we want somebody to lead us. That's the problem.
hatidi kuleader.
Uri right pakunda.
I'm telling you, we don't have those guts to lead, to take the lead. Even somebody else has it.
Right.
I've been talking about
politics.
that.
Saka chibonyara reti mupinda isusu manje politics. Saka that means zvamuruta zvinoreva kuti vakawana opportunity yekuleader. Vakabva valeader vaexploiter.
Exactly.
Tisauti kuna wataura nemazita.
But-
Ana Robert.
But koni ndikada kutaura zvandinoda ndichida kuita zvamurutaura zvoti we don't lead
Yeah.
ndikada kuleader ndonzi ndiri
Sorry.
mucyberterrorist.
No mistake. I think as a nation, chimwe chinhu chandakaona ndichikurawo muZimbabwe in the 80s tavafungobva kupiwa independence inoda. Vanhu vakalida nyika yedu vakawana opportunity before the 80s, ma-60s, vachisupportwa either nedzimwe nyika, even negovernment. Vamwe vakawana ma-scholarship vakanodzidza kuma abroad. Ivo vana vari kutonga vari mugovernment, handisi kumbotaura nasi. But what those guys did, they took away that opportunity from us, because since 1980, although pane tunhu twaipinda education ikanzi takupa free education, zvinhu zvizhinji zvakaita ndezvekuti we were turned into a nation of drunkards. Munhu anoenda kubasa ka, it turned out kuti our cultural cycle ndeyekuti unoenda kubasa wotambira woenda unomira kubottle store, manheru after basa womira woenda kubottle, monzi biggers wakapfeka whatever yanzi hano kana uri
But zvine mari kazvemabhotoro.
no zvine mari ka, but I'm talking about social impact and how our brain
We're
works.
recording.
How our brains
Mira
work.
iko.
Saka situation yacho yakaitika ndeyekuti tavanhu vekuti chi, we've got the ability to debate, to create ideas, but we do it most of the time takadhakwa. What that does, we can't turn we're not able to turn our insights into actions. Saka we might lot of creative ideas.
You know, when you say that,
yekuzviita manje, kuzvichinja manje kuti zvive practice.
Ndama
But
ndafungana
it suits vanhu vari kuleader nyika because vanotozviziva. Vatotoona tiri mabalance. Saka they are happy for us to be drunk. Takamira mabottles tichitukana tichitaura pole tobva tanomba tondorara ta. Womuka mangwana usina mari yebhasi kuenda kubasa wakunonokera nebondi ndipo mari yekuenda kubasa. That's what suits them. But they will make money because ndo vari kuretaila doro racho ndo vari kuita mabusiness.
Because everything that is being run in terms of businesses, they have something to do with it. Taking share.
Saka padi percentage ipi kana takutaura kuti vanhu vacho vane Zimbabwean elite, alright, kana takutaura kudaro. Tingaise percent 1%, 2%.
For 90-10 rule.
I apply up because I tell you what, it's not even 10. It's not a period analysis. I apply up. 20% is
educated.
Because if it was the case, those 20% would have been contributing more to the economy without create jobs and all. But anyway, I'm digressing. Yeah, brand Zimbabwe. I think to simplify it, we're not doing enough to make Zimbabwe, our products, our lifestyle, our skills, who we are, to make that, to get that recognized in the rest of the world. Hatisi kuita vanoti enough. Saka I don't know because of it.
But problem ilipo ndekuti to rebrand unofanga kunema resources.
But we don't need to rebrand.
Okay, we don't have this. My resources actually at the minute they're at a minimum.
But my resources are upon this.
It's not just my resources.
I want to focus on the intangibles because my tangibles, my variables are capital. So we use capital in terms of our mindset, how we think, and that is the first stage of changing who we are. Because as long as we are the biggest in Tengero or Nasi, biggest Tengero is this Indo Vanite and Dini biggest. Can I Dini biggest and she drive a Bentley? They drive a Bentley Yakaro, Mumarodagaro, and Nemapoto. And this enjoy our value when one gets a Bentley Wakatu,
and this is out around Mazita, but Naganza Muna give viral this Motarangu. But don't brand
move forward. And it's enough. My opportunities are, but as long as we think like that, of course, whereas kumekuwa kwa tu na some communities can
but the problem with the way that we have built my resources around us and they're good, it's not sustainable in the sense that you cannot pass on some of these assets. They are perishable. Unexpired date, my assets are not viral now and
those are
you cannot live. We are not living an inheritance. Thomas Piketty money capital
exactly
inherited wealth. You know, in a form which you can carry forward to the next generation. But the end is not drive a motor.
Exactly.
But short term.
Right. Mera tukuda we discuss in detail my mind. So atakuitaka mera timiri pana. Tapina mshotezi mtova tapina. Iko neta doctorate. The party matara such no position as a nation.
Let's summarize
it. It goes back to round it up. It goes back to us saying the reason we are in that position is because of our mindset, the way we think, the way we do things. We're not strategic in our thinking. Tinonye berana we are, but we are not. We think of today, we think of now, we think of yesterday. We don't think of 100 years today.
But how can we change that mindset then?
Hold your thoughts. Part 2. Part 2 no what we are.